Look at your screen. The stock market is ripping to all-time highs. But at the exact same time, gold and silver are also soaring to historic highs. This is extraordinary. Typically, these assets move in opposite directions. Stocks rise with optimism. Gold rises with fear. When they both soar, it's not a sign of a healthy economy. It's a signal of a deep contradiction and a worst-case scenario for the Federal Reserve. This is the market screaming a warning, and that warning is stagflation. Stagflation is the economic monster under the bed. It's when you have two things you never want to see together: a stagnant economy and high inflation. Let's look at the puzzle pieces. First, the inflation piece. Why is it so stubborn? There are perfectly logical and frightening explanations. 1. A historic expansion of the US M2 money supply during the pandemic. When you print this much money, you devalue existing dollars. It's that simple. That alone drives up the value of physical assets like gold and silver. 2. Rising national debt. As investors lose faith in the government's balance sheet, they flee to real assets. 3. Look at Washington. Constant federal shutdowns highlight the inability of elected officials to agree on spending. This political instability provides a massive lift to gold. And 4. Tariffs and trade policy. These are adding direct costs that get passed on to you, the consumer. The CPI may be down from its highs, but it is still elevated and stubborn. All these factors suggest prevailing inflation is here to stay. But what about the stagnation part? This is where it gets dangerous. You'll hear analysts point to the last GDP report, a strong 3.8% growth for the second quarter. They'll say, the economy doesn't appear stagnant. They are looking in the rearview mirror. Now look at the jobs market. The unemployment rate has just hit 4.3%. While historically low, this is the highest level in nearly 4 years. This is the stag part of stagflation beginning to show. We are seeing real-time weakness in the job market, at the same time that inflation remains high. So let's put the puzzle together. Why are stocks and gold soaring together? Because the market is split. The stock market is living on the past, that 3.8% GDP report and interest rate cuts. The gold and silver markets are pricing in the future: stubborn inflation, rising debt, political chaos, and a weakening job market. The rally in precious metals is the canary in the coal mine. It's warning investors that the growth part of the equation is about to fail, leaving us with only the ugly parts: a stagnant economy and high prices. Don't be fooled by the all-time highs in stocks. The smart money is hedging. The question for you is, are you? If you found value in this video presentation, please like and subscribe to the channel for more content. Thank you.